Hi friends, how are you? I hope everyone is fine, everyone is okay. Friends, I am Asjad and you are watching Yur-Tech YouTube channel. Yur-Tech YouTube channel is a channel where I bring for you related computer videos. In this video, we will discuss the third part of Microsoft Office home menu. In previous parts, we discussed about font box and clipboard box. Before I start this video, I request you guys, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, so please subscribe or like and share. Okay guys, let's go to computer screen. Okay friends, now we are on computer screen. So let's open the MS Word, which is Microsoft Office and Microsoft Word. Now I will take some by default paragraph, A and D, open bracket, 4 paragraphs I will take. So then enter. So today we will discuss about paragraph. Before in part 1 and part 2 we discussed about font box and clipboard box. So today is paragraph box. Actually this is first is alignment text. Alignment text we use. Align means the direction, means to put text in left side or right side or in center. For that we use alignment text. And there is one more option, justify. First let's use how to align our text. So put your cursor there, which text you want to align, and if you want to center, then click on center or right side. This is for, and the shortcut is, you can see here when you put cursor, control L, control E or control R. The next is justify. Justify, as you can see here in this paragraph, this line ends here and this line goes till here. This is not equal side. In every paragraph this side is not equal. So if I want here in this side equal, so for that we will use justify. First select or put your cursor on the paragraph, then click on that, click on justify. See, this is equal, so it makes good look our paragraph, our font. Okay, the next is line. There are two types of line. One there, that is line spacing. There are two types of space. One is between two paragraph space, or another is between two lines space. So first is between two lines space. Put on the line or put on the paragraph which you want to adjust the space, then click here. Here are some by default. So which one you want, you can choose here. This is lowest one, the 1.0. This is about line space. Another is about paragraph space. So for paragraph space, now you can see here are some spaces between two paragraphs. If I don't want this space, then click here, then remove space after paragraph. As you click here, now your space from after paragraph is removed. Now if you don't want, if you want here space, then go again here. Here is add space before paragraph. Click here. Now you will get another again space here. Next comes shading. Shading is one kind of highlight. Here was text, highlight text, then but here was only some limited colors, only highlighted colors. But here we have more than full colors, means every kinds of colors we have here. For example, if I want here to highlight this or give shading, remember your cursor in last, this shouldn't be selected full. If you select full, then it will select till here, it will give color till last. See, it is giving me color till last. If I select like this, by keyboard select like this, that your text can't your line can't reach till there, or you can select between of text, then apply any highlight color. If you want to apply more colors, then go here and more colors are here. Choose any from customer colors or from standard, any color, and apply here. Next comes border. There are two types of underline. One is underline which is has limitation, means where text starts and till where text ends, till there you can get that line. But if you want full line like this color, so for that is called underline bottom border. If you want to apply bottom border, then just click here in this, you will get border here under. Then next comes these symbols. Sometimes when we want to make a good look our paragraph, so that time we put some symbols before paragraph like dots or arrow marks like that. So to use that, there is one option, symbol, bullets. So select those paragraphs where you want to those bullets or symbols, then take any kinds of symbol you will get here. Okay. Another is, if you don't want this symbol, these bullets, instead of these bullets, if you want numbers here or alphabetics, so for that there is an option, this numeric library. So select again and take any kinds of here from here. Another is this option, this is advanced of this works as a heading. Now it has become heading. When you apply text index, then this heading will be there, this heading location will be there. So now we don't use this. When we make headings, that time we use this. The next comes indent, decrease indent and increase indent. For this, you might have seen sometimes in our in magazines, half page is for photos, pictures, and half page is a half page are text. For that we use these options, increase indent and decrease indent. Let's see. First select the paragraphs, then click increase the indent. Now our text has come in this side. This side is empty. Now you can put any picture here and you use these pictures, and this half will be for text remaining. So if you want to do like before, then select this, then press on decrease indent. Next is A to Z, like sort. Like if I have some name written, Malik Gupta Mohan Bablu or Nishat. This name I wrote but this is not in order. Like first this A starts, this is in good place, but R is here. After A there should be B later, like in one sequence. For that if you want to make one sequence, then select the text, then click here sort, then paragraph. This is ascending. Ascending means A B C D one sequence, and descending means Z Y W, like this. Click OK. Now you can see A here. This name starts with A, so this is in first. Then second name starts with B, so this is in second, like this. Now if you want opposite of this, then select again and click here and mark on descending, then OK. Now this came opposite of this a the name with a letter came down. Then another is there with numeric. Now you can see this is not in my one order. So to make order, click here, select all, then go there, then paragraphs. I want first should be paragraph, then here this is number, so here should be selected number. Not if there is text, so it will not give you the exact result. Then I want ascending. Now you can see 1 2 5 6 25 68 or 85. If you do descending, it will be opposite. Then next is next option comes this paragraph icon. This option also we use to check our paragraphs when we apply indexed of text, indexed of document. That time when we apply this like insert citations, when we apply these options or insert captions, that time automatic paragraph symbol comes. So just to identify, yeah, here is paragraph ends and this is paragraph mark, till here is paragraph. So when this is visible, see, click and invisible, we don't need this more, we need only when we make some indexed of text or indexed of document. Then next comes our heading. Like if you want to give a heading your document or your book, so MS Office Microsoft Word gives us by default some headings like heading 1 or title, and this also these options also come mentioned in the text of in the index of text, because if you put the heading 2, then it will come in second number. If you put in heading 1, so this all heading will be on first number. So like this. Now till now for now only understand that this only for heading we use these options. When we use forward in these options, then I will explain about this again. The next comes change styles. For example, I took here any headings, so you can make a different font like paragraph spacing, this is down. These headings Microsoft Word gives us by default, but if you want to make your own heading, so for that click here, then here is apply style, click apply style, then select anything, give any name, like I give Yur-Tech, then new. After modify this, in modify we will get all options here, center, this font box, paragraph box here. So select by default which one you want, size, colors, bullet, which one you want, select, then make OK. Then this my heading, this heading will be saved here. Then understand my classes, and if you enjoy or if you like my classes, please subscribe my channel or let me know by your like or share this video. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching my video. See you in next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.